Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to have you guys join me for this first DIY. I am going to actually create a DIY shoe wall. I wanted this shoe wall to showcase my heels and to organize them and to pretty much get them out of the way. So, I'm glad you guys were able to join me. Hope you enjoy the tutorial and I'll see you at the end. And now for the finished product. Y'all, I could not be any more excited at how this came out. It looks amazing, and the shoes just really make the whole project. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I enjoy it. Every time I walk in my room now, it's just like a breath of fresh air, knowing that all my shoes are so neat and organized. And the best thing about this shoe wall is that it just gives everything such a clean, classic look. It leaves so much room on the floor that it gives me so much more space to organize my tennis shoes, my boots, and my sandals neatly. It came out better than I could have ever imagined. So I truly hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. The shoe wall was a lot of fun to make, and I think it came out really good. I really hope you guys try this and let me see how it looks in your homes. Remember, haiku_creations on Instagram. Definitely tag me in your pictures. And if you enjoyed that dope track playing in my video, you should definitely hit up Denise T216. She makes amazing beats. You can check out all her information in the description box below. Also, all of my links to my photography are in the description below as well. Thanks, guys. I look forward to seeing you next time. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Definitely share so we can have so many more people join our DIY club. Alright, guys. I'll see you next time.